Hi there, I'm at the sanctuary of Sainta Rosalia. I don't know if you can see at the back here. This was where they found the saints, Sainta Rosalia's bones. I think it was early 1600s where they found her bones. She died at about 1100 and something. She dedicated her life to God, and she didn't want to marry. She was supposed to marry somebody that was of noble birth, and she was of noble birth. She was about 16, but she decided not to marry. So she came up to the cave here, and here's where she spent the rest of her days. And around about when she passed away, and around about 1600, early 1600s, they found she appeared as an apparition to some shepherds, and she told them that her bones were up here in this cave. But before that, there was a massive plague that had hit Palermo, and she told them where her bones were in this cave, and once that they found the bones, they were to do a few things that she told them. I think they were supposed to go around the city. I'm not 100% sure, so I'm not going to give you the full thing of it because I'm not 100% sure about it. But once they did that, the plague stopped, so they called her the Patron Saint of Palermo. And this is a place where I really love to come and bring my clients at least once to come up early start, just to have a feel of the culture and the faith. So her name was Rosalia, which means roses. She has a crown of roses, and she has a lily in her hand, so her name is in between rose and lily. It's a beautiful thing, but just wanted to show you a little bit of there. And this is where they built the sanctuary in the cave. I'm not sure if I can go all the way in or if I'm allowed to, but I'm going to do it today, so you're going to be very, very lucky. So this is where she is actually found her remains here, and they've built this beautiful sanctuary up here on the mountain, which is of Monte Pellegrino. It's an amazing place to come and visit and to connect with your spiritual side, whether you have faith or you don't have faith. It's a personal thing, isn't it? But I always feel a real connection here when I come here. Maybe it's my love for Palermo and the people that are from here, and how, you know, every one of us has challenges in life, but we all need to go outside of our own self to believe in something bigger. So, welcome to Sainta Rosalia. Ciao.